third. What are these? 16-inch wheels. Same what I got on my Pontiac, I think. My Grand Prix. Yep, 16-inch. Except mine are not chrome. Looks like an automatic. Bummer. Yeah, I wish this was a stick. Let's see what we got. We got. Oh, this is the V6. Yeah, man, it's the V6. It's not gonna work out now. Probably get supercharger or turbocharger, but yeah, this is the V6. Only 4,809 miles on it. Wow. No price. Yeah, this is the base model, V6. That's what this is, because I think the 5.7 was the next upgrade. Yeah, this is the I believe Buick 3.8. Cloth seats. Can't see in there, but they want 12 grand. 4,000 miles, not bad. Just the problem is the V6. If you want a fuel economy, you don't need a lot of horsepower. It'd be a pretty good motor. Still has over 200 horses. What else we got? Oh wow, they got a Shelby over here. Oh my goodness. Yes, they have a Shelby with the dealer warranty on it. I think this is the 500 horse one. 2009. Yeah, I believe this is the 500 horse. And it's a 6-speed. Wow, 6-speed, 500 horse Cobra. $35,000. Yeah, this is the GT500 badge. That's a 500 horsepower option on this. Hell yeah, I'm gonna have to check this one out. But 34 grand, I'm not sure I want to mess with that. Next, they got a 5.0 over here. Ooh. Imagine my old 5.0 89. Let's see, 6,000 miles on it. 2017. Obviously warranty on it. Let's see what. Yeah, and you got a 6-speed. So yeah, this would be pretty good right here. See how much they want for this one. Oh, leather wheels, gunmetal color. Awesome, love it. Yeah, man, this thing's bad. Same price as the Cobra, 32,000. Actually, 2,000 less. So you can either have the Cobra 500 horse or a 5.0 low miles. Tough choice. Hard to beat 500 horses though. Then they got a Hellcat. Wow, they got a Hellcat over here too. This is the Hellcat, baby, with only 4,587 miles on it. Wow, somebody didn't. That's killer. And it is a 6-speed. Oh man, how much is this going for? You got the killer. Let's see what we got here. How much is this going for, man? All leather interior, sunroof. I had to get going. 54. Yeah, they want 54 grand for that. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I have to pass for 54 grand. Ain't got 54 grand. Anyway, so that's what the choices are. I think I'm gonna have to come back later. I don't see what I want yet. Keep looking. We got there. Beetle for $9 grand. And it is a, oh wow, it has a 6-speed in it, I think. This is a turbo. Yeah, and it's a turbo right there. Not bad. That's almost like having a baby Porsche. Anyway, let's move on down. I think I'm done looking for today. Get down to my old beater. Yeah, there it is. Get going. Gotta work tonight.